I was fortunate enough to play professional soccer because I got some coaching about how I was actually positioning myself, well, literally and figuratively, as a soccer player. I didn't make my high school team, and I struggled throughout high school. The problem that I was having was I was always the 12th guy. I was always the guy coming off the bench. There's 11 players on the field, so I was like the super sub. And the reason why I was a super sub is because I was a utility player. I could be put in any position. So if somebody was dinged up, put Greg there. He can take care of it. And the problem with that was that I was good, serviceable at every position, but I wasn't a specialist. Coach came up to me and said, hey, you know, I see you're struggling out there to break the starting lineup, and you have some assets that you're sitting on here that you may not recognize or know are assets. First off, you're a lefty. I'm right-handed, but I'm left-footed, so I'm a little cross-wired here. And he says, that's actually pretty rare to be a left-footed player. You should concentrate on the left side of the field. And then he said, you're courageous. You're actually a little reckless on the field. That's good for being a defender. I was able to see myself as a new type of player. I was a left back. And when I started recognizing that that's who I was able to concentrate on that skill set to be the best left back that I could be. And when I told coaches that's my position, then coaches could recognize that. So there's an agreement of perceptions that started by someone just pointing out to me, it was already always there, but I didn't recognize it, I didn't see it. So I was floundering around. And then when that happened, boom, I started to play, you know, in boxing, you punch above your weight. I started to punch above my weight, and I made the Rowdies because they needed a left back.